Imagine earning while you sleep or play. Sounds dreamy, right? This is the magic of passive income, and YouTube is a goldmine for it. With its global reach and accessibility, YouTube presents an incredible opportunity for anyone to create high-value content that resonates with a worldwide audience. As the trend of content consumption continues to grow, the potential for passive income on YouTube only amplifies. Harnessing the power of YouTube for passive income is not a myth, but a reality that many have already tapped into. To stand out on YouTube, you need compelling content, and that's where ChatGPT, an AI model, comes into play. This intelligent tool is like having a personal scriptwriter at your fingertips, ready to generate creative ideas and engaging narratives for your videos. Picture this: you're out of ideas for your next video, or perhaps you're just too busy to sit down and write a script. With ChatGPT, you simply input a prompt or a topic, and voila, a detailed and engaging script is ready for you in no time. It's not just about creating scripts. You can also leverage this tool to brainstorm video topics, ensuring a constant stream of fresh content for your channel. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its adaptability. Whether you're creating a DIY tutorial, a tech review, or a travel vlog, this versatile tool is ready to cater to your needs. With ChatGPT, you're just a few clicks away from a professionally crafted script. Now that you have your irresistible script, it's time to bring it to life. To create high-value YouTube videos, start by choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Then, set up a Faceless YouTube channel. Your channel's name should be unique and memorable, and your branding should be consistent across all elements, from thumbnails to video animations. Enhancing the visual appeal of your videos is crucial. Use AI platforms to craft compelling visuals, ensuring consistency in branding and style. Remember, your videos are not just about the information you provide. They are about the experience you create for your viewers. Next, integrate affiliate marketing into your content. Identify suitable affiliate programs or products and incorporate the links into your video content strategically. Transparency is key here. Always disclose your affiliate links to maintain trust with your viewers. Then, set up automated marketing. Use platforms that can schedule and post content on your behalf. Engage with your audience across various social media platforms to build and nurture a community around your channel. And don't forget to track your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor video performance, measure affiliate link clicks, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content and marketing strategies. Finally, monetize your channel. Explore options like AdSense, Super Chats, and channel memberships. Remember to comply with YouTube's policies and community guidelines. Remember, the key to unlocking passive income on YouTube is creating high-value content consistently, engaging with your audience, and leveraging smart tools like ChatGPT.